So hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Damaris Properties, and today I bring you another property that is going for sale in Lavington, Nairobi. So I have two houses going for sale, and they are the only ones remaining in this property. So this property has been handed over a few days ago. So we only have two units, and one of the units, which is a one bedroom, is a resale. So someone bought it and they're selling it. So most of them have already been taken. So we are on the 8th floor of this beautiful house. You can see how beautiful this balcony is looking. So this is a one bedroom that is going for sale at 8 million Kenya shillings. So I'm going to show you how it's looking on the inside, and I'm also going to show you the two bedroom going for sale at 9 million Kenya shillings. So welcome guys. This is Nairobi, Kenya, and this is a place called Lavington. So this is how Lavington is looking. I really love how these high buildings are looking. And so much more is coming, especially this one is also like coming up. So I have so many properties coming up. So you might need to stay tuned and also subscribe to my channel if this is the kind of content you like, or you are looking for a property to buy here in Nairobi or here in Kenya. So you can subscribe to my channel so that you can not miss those properties. So today's property, I have a client who is looking for a one bedroom with around that budget, so I came to check out this particular property for them. So this is I have started my video from the balcony of the bedroom. So as I said, this is a one bedroom that is being resold, and you can see where it's located. It's a very accessible place. You can see cars passing there. So there's a main road coming all the way to this property. So this is the balcony. So it's not a very small balcony. It's a good sized balcony. So this is the bedroom. So there's one bedroom and there's another two bedrooms. So I'm going to show you all the two available properties. So this is the bedroom. It's looking sufficient. It's not very small. It's looking big enough. You can fit your bed here, and you have an access to the balcony. And also this is a sliding door that is also noise or soundproof. So once you lock it, you don't hear any noise from the outside. So let's see these wardrobes, how they are looking. I love the texture of the finishing. It's looking really nice. So let's see how they are looking inside. So this is a one bedroom house going, it's being resold. It's in Lavington, Nairobi, and it's being resold at 8 million Kenya shillings. So there's a two bedroom that is also being sold at 9 million, slightly negotiable. So if you are looking for these houses, this is on the 8th floor of this building. So this is how the wardrobes are looking. So the doors look really good. So unfortunately, I feel like the lights haven't been like the tokens haven't been added. So the bathroom is a bit dark, but it's really nice. It's looking nice. The finishing is amazing. So it has a glass door bathroom, or a glass bathroom, and then there's a toilet here with a tissue holder. And I really wish there was lights so that we could see how this bathroom is looking. So there is this towel holder on that side. So this is how it's looking technically. And then there's a sink on this side here. So there's only one unit that is being resold here, the one bedroom. Then there's a space here. So I'm gonna come back so that you can understand this whole house. So this is the living room. with beautiful lighting and an open plan kitchen where you can do like your dining table here, the living space. So the built-in cooker and a sink, a double sink. And there's also like a water purifier under here. So there's a water purifier under the sink. So let's check the lighting. The lighting of this one bedroom is really looking amazing. So guys, one thing I must mention from time to time in this video is that there's only one unit of one bedroom that is remaining, and you can see the price is amazing, and this is a resale, so that means the buying process has already been done for you. So you will only like do the transfer of the money, and then the ownership will be transferred to you. So this is how the kitchen is looking. It has very beautiful white tiles, and then there are sockets. This is probably the fridge area, and then there is a TV area here with these frames, and then the lights. I feel like the living room is so huge. It's sufficient. You can do like your dining area on this side already, and then it has enough sockets. Enough sockets. Then there is a double sink here with the water. So this is a one-bedroom house that is being resold at 8 million, and it's only one unit remaining for the one bedroom, or it's only one available that is it's being resold. All of them have already been purchased. So this is Lavington, Nairobi. So if you're interested in this house, you can always reach me on the number that is on the description box. Then I can link you as soon as possible before someone gets this house. So the doors, the finishings of these houses are really looking beautiful. So you can already see how it's looking. Let's go back one more time. So there's this space here. Then there's the bathroom. It's not well lit because of the lights. So you can see the door, and then the bedroom. So I love this house because of the price. One, for a one bedroom here in Lavington, the amount is really good. And then also accessibility and the views from the balcony are amazing. Like you have a view of, a very beautiful neighborhood. So guys, let's check the two bedroom, going for 9 million, slightly negotiable. So you can also let me know in the comment section which of these two houses would you prefer. Is it the one bedroom? I'm torn between the one bedroom and the two bedroom because of the price, but I feel like the one bedroom looks more brighter. But let's see. Let's check the two bedroom. So this is the two bedroom. So once you come in from the door, there's a common washroom on this side. At least here there is lights. So there's a common washroom here with a separate shower area, and the living room. The living room here with these panels for the TV panels on this side. So once you come from that door, first you get the common washroom, and then there's the first bedroom here. So this is the first bedroom. So let me know in the comment section which of these two houses is your favorite. So one is a two bedroom and the other one is a one bedroom. So this is the first bedroom of the house. The same wardrobes. So let's check the second bedroom and then we check the kitchen. So this is the second bedroom. So this one doesn't have a balcony. I think that's why the price is more affordable. But all the bathrooms are en suite. So this is the second bedroom. So the view, the lighting is also really good. So, but your view is to the neighborhood. So it has a bathroom. So let's check the bathroom. So it's a new unit. So this is the bathroom for the master bedroom. Let's check the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. So the kitchen here is not an open plan as the one bedroom we've seen. So it's a separate kitchen. So, and it has a laundry space here. The laundry space feels like it has a balcony, or it feels like the balcony itself. So let's check the views. The views from the laundry area, which feels like a balcony. So there's a swimming pool actually down here. And this is the neighborhood. So let me know, guys, which of these two houses is your favorite. For me, it's the one bedroom. Regardless of the spacing, I feel like it has enough light, and but if you have a bigger family, you would prefer the two bedroom because of course it has extra rooms and it has a separate kitchen. And also a double sink. I didn't show you the double sink. So the kitchen has a hood. Actually, the other house doesn't have a hood and a built-in cooker. So let me know which is your favorite among these two houses. I'm torn in between. So if you are going for space, you could definitely choose the two bedroom. At least you have a guest room, an extra room here, and then all the rooms are en suite. But if you are to go for a smaller sized house, you could of course choose the one bedroom. So thank you guys for watching to this end. If you are interested in these units, please reach me as soon as possible before they sell out, so that you can get yourself these units. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe. We are on a road to 5,000 subscribers on this channel. I really appreciate all of you who have been watching my content and who have been reaching out, requesting me to check for you some units here in Nairobi. So thank you guys for watching to this end, and see you in the next one as we watch the sun set from this balcony here. So thank you, and see you in the next one.